Xerox Primelink B9100 series printer, replacing the photoreceptor drum. Open the front door. Release the drum cover latch. Remove the drum cover screw and drum cover. Release latch 2 and pull out the drum. Caution: use the grasp handle when removing the drum. Carefully unpack the new drum. Caution: use care to avoid touching or scratching the surface of the photoreceptor drum. When installing the new drum, make sure to line up the guides on the drum assembly with the rails on the machine. Slide the drum back into the machine. Secure latch handle 2 and the drum latch. Note: it is not necessary to reinstall the drum cover. Store it and the screw in a safe place. Close the machine's front door. User guide, system administrator guide, and other documentation are available at https://www.support.xerox.com.